Hey guys, if you're trying to edit a Word document but it has restricted editing permissions, meaning you're unable to edit the text or there are only certain fields that you can write in, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to provide you with a quick and easy solution. So we first need to locate our document in the folder that it's saved in. As you can see, I have my restricted Word document here, and we need to come over to this View tab, come over to Show, and then we need to select File Name Extensions. Then the file type of the document should appear at the end of this string of text here, and all we simply need to do is rename this extension just by getting rid of the docx extension at the end and typing in .zip. Then hit enter, click on yes to confirm, and if you get this message pop up, you just need to close down your Word document before doing this, then click try again. As you can see, it's now converted this into a .zip file. If we come inside of here, this is all of the contents inside of our Word document. Come inside of the Word folder, and you need to delete this settings.xml file. By right-clicking and selecting delete, click on yes to confirm, and then go back to the original folder. And we're going to reconvert this to a docx file, so just type in the same extension as to what it was before deleting it. Hit on enter, then press yes to convert it back to a document file type. And now we can reopen the Word document, and then once you've reopened the document, you'll now have full editing permissions inside of here, meaning you can type and edit things inside of this document. And that's it guys. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.